Well, hello YouTube. Good morning to everybody. Well, it's first time I've been out on the Royal Enfield Himalayan since I had COVID. I've been alright, but I just haven't felt right for riding the bike. So this is my first time and it's great. Loving it. Today I'm just having a ride round some local roads where I never go. In fact, I'm going to take you somewhere where I've only ever been once in my life, and that's if I don't get lost getting there. Lovely roads down here, that's without even going anywhere. I'm about 4 miles away from home. Been a bit of rain overnight, so just go steady away. Roads could be greasy. Just gone through Womersley, and there's a big hall here, and they'd never allow the village to have a pub, so it's about the only place in England that hasn't got a pub. Those poor people. Now I'm coming up to a place called Brockadale Wood, and it's a lovely place to go and have a walk. We're at Brockadale Nature Reserve, very local to where I live. A lovely little spot. Well, since I altered the kickstand or side stand, it's miles better as this bike. because doing a few YouTube films, you're forever stopping, putting cameras on, turning cameras on, turning cameras off, and flying a drone. How about that then? And it's a lot more stable. Well worth doing. Brilliant. Anyway, thanks for joining me on my little ride out, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.